Hello friend, this is my another tutorial of creating child theme from any of the WordPress theme. Before I start this tutorial, I want to clarify one thing that in my previous tutorial where I have created a child theme manually by copying some file from a parent child like style.csv, functions.php and screenshot.png file. I have mentioned in style.css that the template name which you put here should be same as text domain. That was a mistake. Actually, the thing is that the professional developer use the same name of text domain as they give the name to the folder. So either if you copy this one and paste it here, it will work. But if you have a custom built theme, suppose this is not 2017, it's 2020, but the text domain is 2017. So if then I use template 2017, it will not work because it will always, this template parameter or attribute always look for the folder named same name folder. So if I change the name of this folder 2017, then this will not work. This child theme will not function as it should be, and it gives some error like the parent sheet, parent theme does not exist like that. So this is one way to create a child theme manually. I hope I have cleared your doubt regarding my previous video. So I'm going to delete the child theme now. Why? Because I'm going to teach you another way to quickly create a child theme, because sometimes you don't have access to cPanel or FTP to create this theme manually. On your local machine, you can do this easily, as I mentioned in my previous tutorial. But if the website is live and the client or who hired you or some of your friend does not allow or give you FTP or cPanel access, then how you are going to create a child theme? It's very easy. There are many plugins available in the WordPress repository which you can use to create child themes as needed. Here I'm going to introduce a plugin which I use to convert or create a child theme. So first let me delete the child theme. I'm going to delete this. So I move it to trash. So now I don't have any child theme. If you look into my themes, I don't have any child theme, nothing. 2017 is active, 2015, 2014, 2016 listable, and there is no other child theme. So I goes to plugin, add new, plugin, add new, and here I will search for child theme, just type child theme and wait, and you will see many plugins. One of them will be child theme configurator. So you can type here configurator, child theme configurator. So currently if you see it's showing active, it's not, it means it's already installed and activated. If it's not, then it will show you this install now button, and then you can click on it, install it, and then activate it. As I have already installed it and activated it, so I will just move it to its configuration. So in tools, move to child themes. If you already created a child theme manually, it will show in the list and will give you some compatibility issue. But here I don't have any child theme, so I will see one option, create a new child, and here will be the list of all the themes which are installed currently, active or not active. But as I'm going to create a child theme from 2017, so I will select 2017, or it will be by default the active theme will be selected here, and then I will click analyze. So it will check everything and give you lots of options. The main thing is the name of the directory, theme directory. It is 2017 child. So it means in this folder, it's going to create 2017 child folder. Next option is primary. Select where to save new style. So you have two options. Primary style sheet style.css mean whatever you create, it will be saved in style.css of child theme. Save new custom style directly to the child theme primary style sheet, replacing the existing values. The primary style sheet will load and in the order set by the theme, or you can do separate style, but I will go with primary style sheet. Next, select parent theme style sheet and link. Use the WordPress Enqueue style enqueue. So WordPress recommends using this method of styling enqueuing by functions.php rather than using import or any other method. So I'm going to go with this first option. Additional handling option, ignore parent theme, but we can't ignore it because we are not copying any style from the parent theme as we are enqueuing it, so leave it unchecked. So here customize, you can further customize like child theme name, you can give it as another name, you can change this link to your own website or any other link, you can change your author as author, you can put your name or something else onto your website, change the description as you like and their tags. As I don't need to do this, I will just copy menus. We don't need to do currently copying any menu widget or other customized setting from the parent theme to the child theme because it will automatically inherit everything. This is needed when you want to override some widgets and menus which are copied from functions.php. So everything is set. So let's go and click on create new child theme. Wait for it. And voila, if you go to themes, you will see you have successfully created 2017 style 20 child theme without going into cpanel or FTP. And if we look into the folder, you will see a 2017 child theme folder is created. Functions and all those three files which I have mentioned earlier and copied manually has been created by this plugin. Now, why I use this plugin? Because it does have lots of cool features. Although I am not using the pro version of it, I'm using the free version. So, what other feature? And child theme is created, and if you go to child themes, you will see many other tabs above. These tabs will only work for the child themes. So child theme is already selected and there is only one child theme. Just click analyze and everything is going good, and if you want to make any changes you can make them here now again. So let's explore these tabs a little bit. The parent child, you can further create new child theme or duplicate an existing child theme or reset an existing to its base. Like if you made some custom changes by moving your style sheet here and functions.php, you have added some extra functions, then you can reset them using this option, or you can duplicate your current child theme, create a further child. Okay, so query selector, what is this? Basically, you have lots of CSS written in your parent and other style sheets, and this query selector will query all those styles and show you, like it says, to find and edit specific selectors within at media query block. First choose the query, then the selector. Use the base query to edit all other selectors. So it means if I type here base, it will select all the queries, all the styles which are created. But sometimes you have created some specific style sheet for a particular media queries. For example, for the 20 em min width, for the min width 130, these are the queries, media queries. So if you have created some particular style for this min width, it will be shown here. After that, you will put a selector or class here. For example, I put align center. There is no class like this. Oh, I will try by h3. So you see it's saying no style is given at this level of media. So just I will change it to base. After that I will type here h3 and you will see a lot of, and if I type align center, now you will see align center. I clicked align center, it will query. And now what is this? Property. You will see this is sample text. Property, and what properties are set to the this particular align center. Number one, it says clear both, display block, margin left auto, margin right auto. So these are the default values. You can override them by copying something here like clear none. I will put clear none and I will save child values. So what this will do, if I open this and goes to style, you will see align center clear none not important. What it does, it overrides the default value which is both. But as I'm not going to go through all this, I'm just giving you an idea how to use this so you can use it on your own. So I will just delete child theme values, and if I go back, it's removed. Very easy, no need of FTP or cPanel. So this is query selector. So let's go to properties. It's almost somewhat same to the query selector, but it's more broader way. You just type h3 here to find and edit selector containing specific value. So here this one we have selected the query selector. Here we will put the attribute like color, like background color, like height, width, anything. So I will just type width here, so it will show me what kind of width I'm looking for. So I'm looking for max width property. So it will scale down and told me that this sample is this, then selectors, and this is the selector page one column dot panel content dot wrap is giving you this 740 pixel max width, 25% for this text, and you can edit them as you like. So I hope you understand what does this property value means. Next, move to the web fonts. For web font, you go to Google Fonts, and you find another font you need to use. Suppose you want to use Roboto font. Yeah, here it is. I click on it and font family is selected, and this one it shows you it is like customize. You can add further, add different properties, and then it will give you embed code, and this is how it's copy URL. This is I will copy this URL, copy it, and I will paste it here. Then I will go and from here CSS till this. I copy it and CSS till here. I will paste it. So now I will save it. And what this will do, let me activate the child theme first so you can see the changes. Just activate the child theme, go to visit site. You will not see any changes, may not see any changes, or maybe. So I will go view page source and I will find Roboto, and here you see my yes, slash is missing. There was a mistake I have done, sometime this happens. So tools, child themes, web font, yeah, slash, sorry for that. Click save, saved, refresh page, and now this is fine. If you click on it, you have successfully installed a Google font. Easy peasy, no need of customizing, no need of changing parent theme, no need to change anything. Just use this awesome plugin called Child Theme Configurator. Okay, so you have understand. So baseline styles. These all the styles are written inside your parent theme. So these are the all styles you can modify here, but you don't need to do that. Child style here, you will see this is your child theme, which I have shown you here. It's the same thing. You can customize it from here. No need, I'm using because I'm on local machine. So I can change using Sublime Text, but if you are on cPanel, you can do, or WP admin, you can change it from here. Now the next is, and the last one, because upgrade, obviously as the name suggests, you need to upgrade to the latest version or paid version, you can go for it. I will go the files tab. Wow, this is amazing. What you can do here, you can copy any of the file to the child theme if you need to override it. And how you know that you need to override a particular file in child theme? Here comes the another plugins role. I have already installed it. And in my first introductory tutorial of WordPress and WooCommerce, I have mentioned that plugin. It's called What the File. Strange name, What the File. So what it does, when you open up your store, it will show you here which file currently this template is using. So if I'm here, is these are the posts shown on the front page. So it shows me the index.php, and these are the files which are responsible for showing you the data. This index.php, template parts, and other. So what you can do, still on the browser, no need of the Sublime Text for now. And this one I'll just give you a look to show what does it make, what kind of changes does it make. So I click on another page. For example, I go to this archive page, November 2016. It only have one post and it shows me it edited archive.php. So suppose I want to overwrite archive.php. So now I know that I can copy archive.php by going tools, child, files, and here I need to find archive. Click on it, copy selected to child theme, and it's done. If I go to file appearance editor, and you will see archive template is copied here. And if I go again, child theme, files, and you will see it in the list. I will just click delete selected. All changes are lost which you make on the child theme, and it back to the original. It will come from the original. Same thing, you can copy header or footer, copy selected file, and you see it comes here as well. I hope this is last tab. This one is upgrade. If you want to upgrade to the pro version, then you can take advantage of this upgrade. If you like it, go ahead and buy it. But as I'm just going to explain it to you, so I hope this tutorial will help you a lot to understand the child theme and how you can create and modify without using cPanel or FTP access. Easy peasy job, copying files, changing, adding web fonts, changing property values, finding selectors, analyzing configurations and making any further changes you want. So here I will stop my tutorial. Thank you very much, and please do subscribe to my channel. I don't know, but it's quite difficult for me to say subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial.